Enforcement Directorate has taken big action in the case of illegal land grab case and has conducted several raids on the locations of politician and businessman Rohan Harmalkar. The raids were conducted at his ancestral property at Pilen, then his office at Parvari, then one location at Asagaon and two locations of Arpura. And ED has attached several forged documents related with the land parcels at Anjuna, Asagaon and Arpura, which values more than 1,000 crore rupees. The ED team has also seized the original land documents which has value of more than 600 crore rupees. The ED has conducted this raid and taking action under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.